Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, and thank you for subscribing. I've seen that now we have 3 million followers. We're also growing the community on WhatsApp. So thank you again, and keep it engaged and keep asking questions. Let's start with today's topic, which is now most of you are also starting to become Bitcoin investors indirectly. The reason I'm saying this is because MicroStrategy, which the ticker symbol MSTR, is now being included in Nasdaq 100, which is the Nasdaq's top 100 stocks as of December 23rd, 2024. And MicroStrategy has invested in Bitcoin quite a bit and is consistently buying Bitcoins, which means that if you hold an ETF like QQQ, from Vanguard, one of these Nasdaq ETFs, you have now started indirectly investing into Bitcoin. There is a huge correlation between MicroStrategy's stock and Bitcoin prices, and now there's going to be some influence of that coming from the ETFs itself. Why is it important? Because whenever a stock is included in ETFs, like when Tesla was in S&P 500, or gold ETFs, or Nvidia, for example, was there. They saw a huge surge in stock prices. The reason being because all these passive investors, like myself, have suddenly started to buy into this. It's great because we are now being part of something that is coming up above the surface, and it has met the standard. That means we, as the passive investors, have started putting money into this. So yeah, we have passively started becoming Bitcoin investors. What is the implication for Bitcoin? So now there is going to be a bit more money getting into Bitcoin, because it's indirectly also getting this Nasdaq money from it. Bitcoin already has its own ETFs now as well, which you can indirectly invest in. But now Nasdaq 100, one of these ETFs, are one of the larger ETFs as well. So there's a huge amount of asset under management over there. So all of these money is also starting to go in. So that is one of the things. It also legitimizes Bitcoin as well. From MicroStrategy's point of view, there's also going to be now a possibility of this one getting included in S&P 500. Of course, it doesn't fully meet the criteria yet, but it might meet the criteria if the new regulation comes into play, which is about including your cash flow, which is your unrealized gains from Bitcoins, and counting that as part of your income. If that is allowed, which is part of the new regulation, which was effective, from what I read, is December 2024, then MicroStrategy might be included into S&P 500, which means that people who are owning an S&P 500 index are also starting to invest in Bitcoin. So that is that. Yeah, so this is somewhat of good news for all the cryptocurrency enthusiasts, and I think also good news for people like myself who are more passive, because we are able to buy into these upcoming trends without directly taking these huge risky bets. So yeah, look up MicroStrategy. It's a great it's a great story from the company run by Michael Saylor. They've been using a lot of leverage to buy into Bitcoins, and read them up. Their ticker symbol again is MSTR. Yeah, this is it from this part of the video. Cheers. Keep following us.